How to set Discord permissions for your channel. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily set up permissions at once for all of your Discord channels. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up Discord. And whether it be app or you're using the browser version, it doesn't really matter. So you're just going to go to your server. And then here on your server, what you can do is find your category for channels. So here I have my text channels. So instead of going ahead and opening up edit channel for each and every category and changing the permissions from here, what you can do is simply go back. You can categorize the channel and the permissions will be based on your category. So what you can do is simply right click on your category, and then from here you can go to the category settings or edit category, and then from here you can go to permissions. Now if you want to make your category private, what it does is only selected members and roles will be able to view this category, and linked channels in this category will automatically match to this settings. So if you turn this on, you can add members or roles, and the rest of the channels will also have the same permissions. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one.